2018 Toyota Tacoma V6. Really nice truck. Gray color. It's got factory converters. It comes with 4, if I'm not mistaken. 2 against the manifold up there. And 2 rear ones. 1 here, 1 here. So it's a total of 4 on the Toyotas. Then it was so on these it's nice because you can actually true dual them if you want, because the Y pipe is all the way back here and it's 2-inch pipe. Then it goes into 2 1/4, and he didn't want it too loud. He's got a kid, so guess what we did for him? We put him a BORLA Pro XS series, part number 40358. If you guys want a link to it, we'll have a link for it in the description. Then you have to add a little piece of pipe to make it fit because of the muffler design. Came out really clean. There's that BORLA Pro XS. So he didn't want it too loud. And there's the original muffler we cut off of it right there. You know, like always, we don't like mufflers, so we always kick them. There it is. Like always, guys, please subscribe and like the videos if you like the sound. Thank you. Toyota Tacoma, 6-cylinder, Pro X6, I think, or whatever it's called. Toyota Tacoma. What we got done on it for you guys. Got factory converters. These come with 4. 2 on the manifold, 2 secondaries, there and there. Then it wires into a single over here, so you can actually true dual these, as you guys can see if you want to. Right there. Can become true dual Tacoma. And what we got done on it, he wanted a nice deep growl, like a bite, instead of the stock muffler, but he didn't want it obnoxious. So we went ahead and put a Black Widow Widowmaker, 10-inch. Part number BW0013-2. 2.5-inch inlet, 2.5-inch outlet right there. Added a sleeve to it to make it fit because the original muffler is huge. Then we've put a 4-inch double wall tip, as you guys can see right there. Came out really nice, really clean. Cleanly done as usual. Toyota Tacoma V6 4x4. There's the old muffler that we took off. Like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. That's exactly what you want. I like it. It's a deep. A little bit of something. Oh yeah. In about 30 days, it breaks in. It's a little bit loud. A couple of decibels. Go ahead again. Yeah, it's right at 100 sound decibels. That's perfect. It's not too droning,
right?
You know. Go ahead and back it up. You need a cold air intake on it too.
Yeah.
Bring more air in. Yeah, that tip came out perfect. Yeah, you see when it's on the, that's why we chose the longer one when they're to the side.
Yeah.
All you see is tip, you don't see any pipe, you know? That's perfect, I like it. Toyota Tacoma 4x4 TRD edition. V6. What size motor? 3.5 liter. Tell us what you guys think. I like it, it's deep. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. I feel like it. It's perfect. Black Widowmaker, and it's stick shift, which is even better. TRD 4x4. Here's sound decibels. 107. That tip completes it. It looks so much better with the tip on there. Yeah, see, it's perfect size. It's not, it looks big in the hand, but when it's on the car, you don't hear it. It becomes small. Oh, it sounds so good. Nice thing about Black Widow, no rasp. It's just smooth. TRD 4x4 off-road. Toyota Tacoma. There it is. Let me know what you guys think. BORLA Pro XS. Single system. That's perfect. When you have kids, the BORLA XS is perfect for them. Little babies, not big kids, but babies. Beast mode! Larry's the man. Master plan. I hope you guys enjoy it. It sounds really good. There's the UPS guy. We're still trying to convince him to true duel it. He won't do it.